Welcome to Kirit's kitchen. Today we will cook Rajasthani Laal Chicken, very famous dish all over India. I have taken 500 grams of chicken and all the other ingredients are in description box. Grind tomatoes in soft paste. In a half cup of curd, I have mixed all the powder masalas. Mix well and make a paste. In a pressure cooker, I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil and add 2 tablespoons of ghee, that is clarified butter. Add chopped onion and 3-4 dry red chillies. Add 10 to 15 garlic cloves and saute till golden brown. If needed, add splash of water. Add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chilli paste. Saute well for 2 minutes. Add tomato puree and mix well. Add salt according to your taste. Saute for 5 minutes and then add chicken pieces. Mix well and saute for 8 to 10 minutes. Chicken pieces looks white and now add curd masala mix. Wash the bowl with water and add the water into the chicken. Add 2 teaspoons kevda water, that is screw pine water, and after that add half cup of water. Please subscribe my channel. When boils, cover the lid of pressure cooker. Blow 2 whistles on medium flame. Let the steam release by itself and open the lid. Check the chicken whether it is tender or not and check the consistency also. If needed, add some water. Chicken is tender and now we will do vagar, that is tadka. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. For tadka, I have taken 2 tablespoons of ghee, that is clarified butter. Added red dry chillies and half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Heat and stir and add to chicken. Cover the lid and rest for 15 minutes. Open the lid. Rajasthani Laal Murg is ready.